Hello some viewers, how are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video we are going to discuss how do we download Crystal Disk Info. Just go to the Microsoft Store, click on download and install from Windows. Just click on download here. So it is an open source software to check HDD and SSD health status. Okay, just open this, double click the exe file. Let us wait for it to install. So it is starting the download. It got downloaded. So it is installing now. Click on yes. So mine is 480 GB. Good is 97%. 35-degree temperature is allocation. So it will give you the entire rating. Okay. So this will actually check how what and all the attribute values are there. Program fail count, error fail count. It will give you the entire status as well. Okay. So this is the look and feel of crystal disk information. What is the firmware, all the details it will give. ID, attribute name, current, worst, threshold and all the values. Hope you like the video guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.